TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Tumble, Kick, MySpace activated. I got to change this.
Got my BlackBerry curve ready.
All right. There we go. All the things. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Should have everything coming up. Let me get this recording going local.
Recording in progress.
Moderators, let me know later today on the local recording. Make sure it's okay. That'd be great. Today, everybody's going to do me a favor. Everybody in the room, post all your profits and loss in the stock lounge today. Post them in the stock lounge today. Appreciate you. Here we go, TikTok. I see everybody's coming in. Bruno, did you notice I pulled the logo off?
Yes, please. I just want to see if that. Well, we won't know now. 'Cause I think you said you added ads or you put some money into it. So
Yep. Yeah. It'd be kind of hard to tell. Yeah, since we did them both.
Yeah, I want to see if the word trading is also like screwing up the algo.
I got you.
Because with the logo.
Yep. We'll see. Thank you, everybody. I see you all coming in over there on TikTok. Let's see. It looks like Twitch is up. Good morning. How we doing? Is Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Tumble, all the stuff up? Over there on TikTok. There we go. Setting a new goal today. We need to hit this goal today, by the way. Let's make that happen. There we go. Done. Asking, you shall receive. If you don't, you get nothing. All right. There we go. How's TikTok look? Check, check. Audio okay. Sound check, check. Moderators, where are you?
That's good.
Thank you. Nice and nice. Let me see if I can pop this chat out real quick over here. Thank you already for the gifts. Lots of gifts already pulling in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over on TikTok. We're shooting for 100 subscribers. Let's see if we can get that 100 subscribers over there on the TikTok. You don't stop. Again, I appreciate all the hearts, the likes. Thank you. Let's get to 50,000 likes today over on TikTok. 50,000 likes over on TikTok. Also click that share. Good morning, everybody. Glad you are all here. Thank you, James, with the first super chat right there. Thank you, James. I appreciate that. Getting it going. That's what I'm talking about. Good morning. Things are moving. I can see it.
Appreciate you, Coach.
Yes, thank you so much. Real quick, while we're waiting for everybody to roll in the door, I know we've got about 23 minutes. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, on Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, our new moderator. Also, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you also to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. We heard the real horn back there. Did you guys catch that? Yes. Hot
Look at
stock
PROK,
pick.
Coach.
What's that?
I say look at PROK, go.
Yep, I was just going to say that. Hot stock pick, PROK, up 114%. Nice little runner today. Don't forget, Bruno and moderators every day post one of the hot stock picks, right? If you had a runner for the day, let's post it somewhere so people can see what they would have gotten had they had a premium or above membership. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. If you guys are watching over on YouTube, do me a favor, click subscribe. Click the thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you are alerted when new videos come out and when we go live. I'd appreciate that. My name is Chad, aka The Coach. If this is your first time being here, this is American Dream Trading. I've been trading inside of the stock market now for 33 plus years. I have now trained over 1 million people that have come through the room. American Dream Trading is the leader in stock options, futures, and crypto training and education. We are one of the largest and fastest growing stock market education companies. We are also top rated as one of the country's top startups. So I appreciate all of you being here. We've been live every single day. It will be 3 years live. 3 years live on exactly August 1st that we've been doing this. 3 years live every single day, answering hundreds of thousands of questions for you every day. We're here live 3 times a day. I'm here from 9 to 11-ish. Sometimes I'm way over. Then Mark comes in from 2 to 4. He'll be training you on futures. I'm typically stocks, options, and I've been trading futures for the last couple of months, just trying to promote our futures product. And then in the aftermarket, we are here every day at 5 o'clock. That's dawn. And the panel that shows up for the aftermarket show, they have games and do different trivia stuff and talking about the stock market and things that happen. And right, she's got different multimillionaires that's on inside of the room. She gets to interview and talk to, and right, the mindset of American Dream Trading and their mega millionaire traders. So lots of good stuff going on over there. If you guys are interested at any time, by the way, joining our free, absolutely 100% free Discord, where we have tons of training and education for free, go to americandreamtrading.com. We've got ebooks, flashcards, games, terminologies, excuse me, how-to videos, candlesticks and patterns. Everything you need to get started is absolutely free. I'm going to play a quick promo video right now that will introduce you to some of the different products and services that we have. Give me just 1 minute and we'll play that for you right now. It's about 4 minutes long. We're going to edit this and make it a little bit tighter, a little bit smaller so it doesn't have to play as long, and then we can play it a couple times throughout the live. So give me just 1 second. We need to keep the lights on, and this is how we do it, right? To keep everybody here. Here we go. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you. And the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24 hours, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. Thank you. I appreciate that. Give me 1 second. I don't see. Excuse me. I don't see the chat going on over there. Is that working correctly? I think so. Those of you that are over on TikTok, can you guys see the chat below my screen? Anybody that's watching TikTok, can you see that? Does it look right on TikTok? Yes. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. So I just can't see it on my end. I got you. Thank you. Hopefully you guys were able to see that video because I couldn't see it until I posted something different on there and then it started working. All right. There we go. Okay. So we're working out some bugs, a little bit of kinks, making it happen. Appreciate you. Thank you, of course, to all of our paid members and everybody that's inside of the room. We'll typically, on average, have anywhere between 300 and 500 people that will be inside of our live Zoom session where they can ask any questions all day long. Everybody that's in the Zoom room, you want to tell everybody good morning? Go ahead, open your mics. Let them know you're here.
Good morning from Texas.
Good morning from Tennessee.
Good morning from California.
Morning.
Good morning from Seattle.
Morning from Arizona. New Jersey.
Buenos dias from Rhode Island.
Morning.
Good morning from Upson City,
Arkansas.
Maryland.
Good morning from North Carolina. I almost said Tennessee. North Carolina. Forgot where I live.
From West Palm Beach.
Heard me say Tennessee.
Bradford, Pennsylvania.
We got a little bit of everything.
I know we have some international. Open up your mics, international.
Yeah, absolutely. We got a lot of people international. Go ahead.
Good morning from Sweden.
There it is. We got more. I know we got a lot. We got Brazil. Come on, where is everybody?
Bom dia, pa. Bom dia.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Hola. We've got, yeah, we got people from everywhere. Thank you all for being here. There, did you say Boston?
Boston.
Very nice. Is there anybody from Ohio, or can I still pick on that state?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that where that
Go blue.
Steerlink? Isn't that where Steerlink
Yeah,
is?
go blue.
No blue.
They're like,
Red and
stop.
white for you.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, we're just messing with Mark. I'm always messing with him. So his heifers and steers were all over the place. So we had to hook him up with the steer link. Somebody post that. Hold on, I'll do it. So we got them all hooked up. Okay. Because, you know, there's no internets out there in Ohio in his cornfields. So we're going to post this in the stock lounge right now. So I got a hold of Elon Musk, and we set him up with something real nice. This is the steer link. Can you guys see it in the stock lounge? So now he has internets wherever he may roam. There it is. Yep, he's all set now. Yep. Take a peek. We actually, somebody needs to change that from saying Starlink to Steerlink, by the way. That would really, really sell that for us. That'd be great.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yep. That was a missed opportunity. I know you guys did it with AI, and a lot of times it'll do that. So just see if you can change the verbiage. So there you go. So there's Mark in his Ohioan pastures with his brand
That
new
is crazy.
Steerlink. You like that?
Who did that, Arlo?
James did it.
That right, James. That's a thing of beauty. Am I right? So,
Oh my God.
yep. We wanted to make sure that he could still be here every day to bring you his live training. So that's why we hooked him up over there. You got a problem? We got a solution. You know what I'm saying? Cutting edge technology here.
Ever since Arlo put James on Mark's lawn, he's been on the picture
Pooping
thing.
all over it.
I love it. Nice work, James.
Oh, that's great.
I put another one in the fun house just playing around.
Oh, that's awesome.
I saw it.
Oh, look at Mark. Mark must be able to hear us. He just posted, there's your cow chaser money, and he just posted what he's up to right now. Oh, he said I can share. Mark over here, while he's chasing around his steer and heifers, is now up $22,000 so far this morning out in the... You know why that is? Because his internets was down, and we got him the steer link. So... basically, he owes us that $22,317 to the Steerlink. You know what I'm saying? So,
Pay up.
yep. So, good job.
I take cash, cashier's check, money orders.
Yep.
Those steers aren't
You can throw it in the tip jar. I mean, whatever you want, dude.
Yeah. Mark says, love them. He says, good job. Very nice. That's a thing of beauty right there. Let me see. I don't know if I'll be able to share this out. Hold on. Let me try. It's always fun.
Oh, Coach. This is even better than I thought it would be.
Tell me, you watching those?
I'm gonna put it in the stock lounge.
Yes, tell me. Fire it up. Fire in the hole. Here we go. Oh, and there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's nice. That came out really nice, James. That's nice. Oh, and he looks so professional. We got you, Mark. Always taking care of you, buddy. The brand new Steerlink provided by American Dream Trading and Tesla. Not sponsored by Tesla, but Elon, if you're listening, Elon, if you're listening, we want a cut of all of that Steerlink action that comes our way. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's see. We are now about 8 minutes out. We're ready to rock and roll. All of our hot stock picks have been posted. All of them have been posted. You know what? I'm going to give you guys a freebie. Who wants the hot stock picks for the day? Everybody that's watching for free live, everybody type in a 1 right now. I'm going to give you a freebie. We do not do this very often. This is going to be a free set of all of our hot stock picks today. Everybody type in a 1. Double tap them screens. Click follow. Click that share. Let's go, baby. There we go. Type them in. I see you. Let's go. Type them in. Thank you. Joining the fan club. I appreciate those gifts. Thank you so much. Type in those 1s. Thank you. Tell you what, it's 9:23. Let's do this. Just because we're trying to reach a goal. I will give out the hot stock picks as soon as I get 3 new subscribers on TikTok. Right now there's 14. I need 3 subscribers to TikTok, and we will give away the free premium plus hot stock picks. Fire in the hole. Let's see them. Let me know, moderators, when they come in. I'll be able to see, hopefully. 3 subscribers. Let's go. 3 subscribers. Nice. Thank you. Do we have one yet? Did we get the 3 subscribers so I can get this going for you? Is it ready? TikTok, I think all you need to do is click the star, I think, that's up above. Facebook, everybody that's over on Facebook, I want you to click subscribe right now. It's free for Facebook. Click subscribe. TikTok, I believe it's, I want to say $4 or $5 a month. Am I right? Yeah, the heart with a plus. Click it up there. Click it. Do the things. Do the dance. Do the stuff. Click it. Right there. Right up top. While we're waiting for those 3 subscribers, has anybody made any money yet? The market's not even open. Besides Mark making $22,000. Anybody else make any money today? Open your mics. Let the world know. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yep, Bruno's hot stock picks.
Thank you.
Yep.
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I know Bruno was making money off the PROK we called this morning. Did we get our 3 subscribers yet? So we can move on. We literally have 4 minutes. 4.5 minutes. Did we get our 3 subscribers? Come on, let's get it done. Let's get the algos going. You guys know how TikTok loves this stuff. You got to dance and do the things and woo, party and, you know. I know I'm not some pretty girl. You guys got to look at some old man. I get it. It's a little bit harder for attraction to draw people in. I get it. Bring out a pretty girl and then we'll click the buttons and do the stuff. I know. Listen, this is the best you got. This is what you got to work with. This is what God gave me, okay? You understand? If you guys want to see pretty, you guys can go watch the aftermarket with Dawn. Otherwise, you're just going to get the old man. Brr, this is it.
Oh, aren't you sweet?
Oh my gosh.
Everybody be cool. Click the subscribe,
Yes,
do the
you.
things. Do we have the 3 subscribers yet? I'll give them 1 more minute. If they're not clicking the stuff, then anybody? Did you guys click subscribe? Is this like pulling teeth today? Is that what we're doing today? I think we have 1.
Yep.
Was that 1 subscriber that just came in? I did. Billy Bob says I did. Are they not showing up? Is that the problem? Thank you, Billy Bob. I appreciate you. Click that subscribe up there. We're going to be giving away the hot stock picks today. By the way, Bruno, didn't you just post one that ran yesterday? Let me look. I could have swore you did. Yep, right here. Hot stock pick yesterday was Wolf. WOLF. It went up 96%. Was one of our hot stock picks yesterday. Nice, nice. Yeah, moderators, I don't think those subscribers are showing up. Yeah, I don't think it's updating. I don't think it's updating. Billy Bob says I did, and it's not showing up. So here's what we're going to do, because I want to give them away anyways. They're just not showing up. So thank you for those that did subscribe. I have no idea why they're not showing up. I appreciate you. Remember, everybody, today, post inside of the stock lounge your P&L, not in our normal spot. This way, all of the free members will be able to see it. Here we go. Hot stock picks for today. Real quick disclaimer. These are not recommended to buy and hold. This is not financial tax or investment advice. This is for paper and simulated trading only. These stocks are typically more volatile. These are not going to go to the moon, right? I get all those biases out of your head. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. If you don't know how to trade volatility stocks, don't do it. Okay? That's my little disclaimer. Here we go. Hot stock picks. NDRA. First one. Second one, PROK. Third one, LSB. Fourth one, SQNS. Next one, BSLK. Next one, Wolf. WOLF, which we had yesterday. RLYB. Next one, ZVSA. OCC.
Huh?
Next one, kill those mics, moderators. Next one, VOR. Next pick, CDT. Next one, VIOT. Last one, BTCS. There you go. If you missed it, go back and watch it on the replay. We are rocking and rolling. Everybody, make sure you guys are following all the rules. Not some, but all the rules. 10 seconds. Make sure you don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account. Make sure you have stop losses in each and every trade. Make sure while you were on training, you were paper trading and simulate trading only. If you have 2 red days in a row, go ahead and stop using real money for the next month. Make sure you guys journal each and every trade. Small position sizes, allowing the base hits to continue, and stop out the losers and let the runners run. Okay, here we go, everybody. Let's do this. Thank you. I will be trading a live futures account. This will be a live futures account. All right. Watching here at the open, you can see Apple pulled back. It ran up in the pre-market, just dipped down to 209.69. SPY is tapping on previous close of day right here. SPY dipping down to previous day close. Watch for support around 621 with SPY. That's first level of support. That's your pre-market.
AMD did the same, pop and drop.
Thank you. That's your pre-market low at 621. 621. That's your pre-market low. You guys are going to watch that level, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Tesla to the upside.
Thank you. Let's see. Hold on. Give me just a second. There we go. All right. Again, SPY dipping its toe into that 621. It's bounced twice for support. So it has bounced twice for support. Still looking to see if that's going to break through. Remember, this is previous day close. Previous day close was 620.68. 620.68 was previous day close on SPY. Apple to the downside. 2-minute EWO is in effect for Apple. This is the third candle, our third setup for it. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside. Apple
Tesla
is
touching the 300 level.
Apple is now in a 6-star trade to the downside as long as it continues to make lower lows. Tesla ripping to the upside. Tesla now in a 6-star trade to the upside. Is that a 2-minute EWO? Yes, it is. Who took advantage of that Tesla dip yesterday, by the way? Good job.
I did.
Thank you. Nice work.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Apple continuing 6-star trade called since the open to the downside. Good job. SPY here trying to go red now. SPY trying to dip below previous day close. Right at support. SPY still dancing with the devil in the pale moonlight right here. Looking to see if we can get a break of 621 to the downside. I'll look for shorting it if it does, with a huge gap to the downside. Like to see that pull below 621. Still waiting for the trade.
Coach, hot stack pick NDRA took a pop.
Thank you, NDRA. Thank you. Yep, NDRA is up 220, 230%. Right here, still waiting for SPY to go to the downside. If it's going to, it has to hold below 621. A minute. Just shorted it. Looking for it to stay down below 621. Still dancing around that level. $621, still below it. See if we get a nice pull below 621. It's now at 620.70, so we're down here now at previous day close. Nice. Nice. There's a nice pull. I'll take it. $750 first trade of the day. We're now at previous day close levels right here at 620.50. 620.50. This is support. Listen to the sound of my voice. 620.56 here is support. Watch for the bounce. There's the bounce. Watching for the move back up to 621 where I can look at shorting it again. I want to see this bounce a little bit more here. If that breaks below 620.50, I will short it again, but I'd like to see this pop back up to 621 and then make my entry, because that way I can put my stop just above it. Hope that makes sense.
Got the bounce right back in puts.
Yep, there you go. Nice job. Yeah, 620.50 support. Had that nice bounce. Hopefully you guys are listening to the sound of my voice. Otherwise, what the hell are you doing here, right? What are we doing? Still looking for this. I'd like to see this bounce back up to 621. If not, I will short it below 620.50. Still waiting. Apple still 6-star trade. 2-minute EWO is to the downside. Hopefully you all made money on that. Good job. 620.50 support still on SPY. Not touching this yet. I want to see it hit 621 and then I want to pull back.
Sold the puts on that little flush, now I'm waiting for a break one way or the other.
Nice job. Good job. Yeah, I'd like to see it pop up, give me some strength back to the upside, hammer this, right? Because then we're going to be at, if you look at it, yeah, it's going to be right there on that 9. So that'll be a nice setup for me. Here's the bounce. Now I'm going to wait and see if this is going to hold. If I get in, it's going to be really fast because this should have momentum to the upside. So I've got to be careful just because of where it bounced. A minute. See if we can get a pullback here. Riding off this 9. Looking to see if we're going to get a pullback. Still sitting here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. There's the flush. Come on, a little more. Come on, get out of that spot. Dancing on the 9. There's your 621. Letting it dance just a little bit right here. Come on, pull back and drop. If it's going to knife drop, right, if it's going to sink back down, it's got to be this moment. $6.21, remember? This is our spot. Still waiting for this to flush. Still holding. Come on, pull. There it goes. There it is. A little more. Boom, I'll take it. It's another 250. That's 1,000 for the day. Pulled off the 9. Congratulations if you're listening to me. If you're not, I don't know what you're doing. You're just like walking the dog. Good job.
Chasing cats.
Was that a beautiful move, everybody, or what? Huh? Are you?
It was a beautiful move, Coach.
Thank you.
Tesla is not a downside.
Thank you, Nana, for that support on that beautiful A+ trade.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Everybody in the room should have made bucket loads of cash.
Yup.
Thank you.
Buckets.
Buckets. I'm not average. Just made $540. Thank you, Coach, on that move. You're very welcome. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. All the things. Good job. I see you. Thank you. Here's support again. 620.50. Remember, it's support because that was previous day close. Now, you master scalpers like Palm and everybody else in the room, right? That's where we can buy longs on the short, on support, I'm sorry, and puts on resistance.
Yeah. Selling them right now.
Yep. Yeah,
Boom.
that's strength right here to the upside. If and only if you get this engulfing candle closing above 621, look for that move to go back up. Everybody hear the sound of my voice. There it goes. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Get a closer on that. Look for a climb to the upside. Right on the 21. Breaks the 21. I'm in it long. I'm in it. There it is. Take it. $100. Nice. Good job, Coach. Oh, thank you. You're so good. You're such a good trader. You're so do. You're real good. You're a real good trader. Hey, you're your own
You're not too
cheerleader.
Shabby, Coach.
You're your own cheerleader, am I right?
Oh my God, not too shabby. Did you hear that?
Good job.
Not too shabby, Coach.
Nana's a tough crowd.
I know it, right? It really, everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's so busy trading. I get it. I hear you.
You taught us to focus.
I did. You guys are doing real good. You're doing a real good job. Good job. Good job.
Earlier was fun. Tesla touched 300 and pulled all the way down. That was
Nice.
fun to ride.
You guys are getting so much amazing video work right now. Did anybody ride that back to the upside when the coach said to go? Good
Yes,
job.
I did, Coach.
Thank you.
I did.
Thank you. Nice work. Look at that. Huh? Did I call that right to the frickin' penny? Huh?
Oh, baby.
Who's your daddy?
Only 20% so far.
Thank you. Who's your daddy? Thank you. Appreciate you. Look at that move. Oh my gosh. Now, notice we called everything the way down, the exact bounce on support, exactly where to pull, where it was going to pull back off the 9, exactly bounce again off the 6, 20, 50 level, and then exactly to go long. That's what? 5 exact trades in a row. Thank you. Please. No. Oh, okay, go ahead. I can't stop you at this point. I can't stop you at this point from applauding. There's nothing I can do about that right there. All right. Thank you, though. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to tip your moderators today. I'd appreciate you. Thank you.
But Coach, could you go over some entries this morning?
Yeah, right. Yeah. But Coach, is there any spot where we could get in?
Where can I get in here?
Yeah. Where do I get it? Where do I get out? Where do I get in? Where? Well, why'd you do it? Oh boy. That's great. 622. Everybody, please be cautious of 622. Okay, 622 is your pre-market high. We will be watching for that. I know we've got a ways to go, but we're always planning ahead. Okay. Now, today's open was at 621.35. So we will be watching for that. That's also right here where the 200 is. The 200, as you know, is a major level of resistance. Everybody be cool. Right now, you currently have momentum to the upside, but overall, so far, it's been to the downside. We're starting to form a cup from the open, but it is not there yet, right? Now, technically, if you look at this, we're almost at a double top. It's very close in this pre-market area. Why? 20 to 40 cents. We are really close in the range, all right? So start to pay attention. And Coach saying a lot of things. I know. Just pay attention right here. See this trend line? Bam! Damn, he's good. Woo! Help me now. Look at this. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Did anybody see that? Let me make that a little bigger for you. You guys see it? Watch for the break.
Thank you, Coach.
Always looking
Yes,
for
we do.
pattern. Always looking for pattern changes, right? Get a run through here. Should be hasta la vista. Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. I'll be looking at longing it up here above the 200, but I need this to keep going because we've got major levels right above
Thank you, Coach.
621.50. 621.50 is what I'm looking for now for the break and hold to the upside. Who's still in that upside on that break of 621?
42%, Coach.
Great. All right, this is a double top.
Yeah, that 621.50 is like super relevant.
Yep, I got it marked. I just broke even on that trade. I tried to make a quick hundy. I sold a little too early. Beautiful double top off 621.50 back down to the 200. Shoot.
Right above the 621.50, you have the 621.63 double top. It's very tight.
That is correct. We've got it all on the screen. We see it. We know. We're all over it. I appreciate you. Love your face. Who took advantage of that 621.50 double top? That's what? 7,
Right
8
there.
trades exactly to the penny. What to do, when to do it, why to do it.
PM&R approaching double top.
Fake news.
Go, go,
Fake
go, Coach.
news.
Stopped out 37%. Thank you for your help.
Okay, you fake news.
Thank you. Thank you.
Listen through.
Thank you. Nice job. Nice work. Who got that double top pullback? Tell me. Tell me right now. Help me now.
Me.
Thank you.
But of course.
Appreciate you. Good job, everybody.
Google
This
just
is
had a
so
big call
cool.
in the market.
Yeah,
and
man,
all
all
the-
on around.
Thank you. Who's over there still hanging on your 6-star trade on Apple? 2-minute EWO to the downside, which still has not broke through. VWAP to the upside, which means you are still in the trade. Who is still in the 6-star trade to the downside?
I am.
Thank you. Christina's here.
Still
Thank you
holding,
for
Nervous.
gracing us with your presence.
Oh, thanks for
No.
having me.
That's nice.
Nervous as hell, Coach, but I'm still holding it.
I got you, partner. Just remember, you had pullback already, so you had one shedding opportunity so far, at least, right?
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Yes, sir.
Hey, girl,
Hey,
hey, Coach,
hey, hey. All right, here we go. We're taking this to the ride to the upside. Nice. There's a nice pop. Boom. I'll take it. That's $125. Thank you for riding at Cedar Point. That's nice.
Nice work, Coach.
Thank you. Just getting it done. Making dreams a reality, one trade at a time.
Sweet.
Well, should have made 100 on that. It made 50 when it was all said and done by the time I clicked done. Okay, whatever. Whatever floats your boat, Weeble. I got you. All right, be careful right here at the 621.60 area, right? They're going to have a little bit of turbulence up here. I want everybody to start paying attention. We're starting to get close to the top. I hope you hear the sound of my voice. I'm actually going to put SPY up here so I can chart this out for you guys. Hold on. This whole area right here. Can everybody see it?
Yes, Coach.
That is your turbulence area. You will run into some issues up here. That is the resistance right there.
La resistance.
That's it. You guys heard it. You heard it right there. Heard it here first. Thank you, guys. Thank you for those gifts. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate that. Thank you for those subscribes over there on TikTok. Thank you. If this is your first time, by the way, being here at Station Identification, my name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. You are watching American Dream Trading. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country, if not the world. We've been live every single day now, 3 years. As of August 1st, I've trained over 1 million people just like you that have come through this room. So stick around. Appreciate you being here. All right. This is respecting the 9 on the 1 minute. So if everybody's looking at advanced scalping, you can see this is riding the 9. Appreciate that. Real quick, while we're waiting for the paint to dry for the next A+ setup, today only, if you are an existing Diamond Lifetime member, you can give the gift of a Diamond Lifetime membership for $4K today. Open up a ticket. We're also allowing you to gift a VIP Lifetime membership for, what's the price? $2,500? I don't remember. Open up a help desk ticket. You get to give away a bunch of stuff and be a hero because you're a Diamond Lifetime member. That's only for existing Diamond Lifetime memberships. You can buy one for a discount to give away to help somebody out. You want to change somebody's life? We got you. There's the bounce off of VWAP. 621.10. 621.10. This is a chop area. Be careful. Apple, how we doing over there? 2-minute EWO riders. Was I able to keep you in your seats? Did you keep your arms and hands and feet inside of the vehicle at all times while you were going up and down on that roller coaster? Apple getting ready to make new low a day on the 6-star EWO trade since the call out. Oh, what's that? Ooh, eagle. Nice. Did you guys see the visual cue where I looked for it and I saw it in the sky? I know. High production. High production.
The eagle has landed.
Yes.
The eagle has landed.
Yes, high production setup over here. A lot going
Great
on.
choreography, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Now, if you are an advanced 2-minute EWO rider, wasn't that a great opportunity for you to scalp and add some more up there in a VIP or VWAP area? Yeah, it was. And then you rode it all the way back down? Right down to there. So 208.50, 208.50, right, is your support on Apple. Here we go. SPY bounced off of VWAP, making its move back up into the clouds. Back up here into the clouds. I will be watching this whole area right here. All right, let's see what else is going on. If you were over there trading on the Qs, it hit 550, 229 and bounced. Previous day close was 552. So it got really close to previous day close. If you guys are watching Tesla, it's dancing around the pre-market high, which is around 299. It's sitting at 298 right now. You got about $1 range before you get up to that pre-market high. So you got a little bit of a gap up still to fill. You'll be all right. Today's high over there is $300.37. That's nice. That's nice. Any hot stock picks running today? Anybody? Bueller.
Yeah, made money on that NRDA today, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Good job, Brock.
Yes, sir. Thank y'all.
Yep,
Let me
yep.
give you some numbers here real quick. 2.47% total account on just NRDA, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's all I did this morning was scalped it, rode it, shed it, did some following the rules type of things.
Yes. Good job.
Was in at like 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning with the Savage, the Goat Mark, and Maria and Bruno and
Nice.
yeah, some other people's in there.
Nice job. Good
Sweet.
job.
Yeah. It's been a nice day. How's the day been going for you, Coach? Good day?
It's going amazing. We're rocking and rolling over here.
Heck yeah, brother.
We're
Good to
getting
hear.
it done.
All right, y'all keep at it.
All right. Thank you, my man. Good job. Keep it up.
Good job.
Good job, Bo. Had a nice bounce here off of VWAP and previous trend line support over here on SPY. I told you this is going to be that choppy area. Isn't that what I said right in here? Little choppy chop. Huh? Keep an eye on it.
Yep.
Keep an eye on it.
I mean, there's the 9 and the 200th in the middle of all that, too. It's
Absolutely. TJ 392. No, I would no. I would start with no money. Just get training, work on training before you trade, okay? Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, as much as I make this look easy, there's 33 years in here, right? It doesn't just, it's not easy. You've been studying good. Keep studying. I want to see you over in our Discord right now. You're not getting a whole lot of study and watching for free. By the way, those of you that are watching for free, you're getting about maybe 2% of what we have to offer here. Maybe. Get over here.
Less than that, Coach.
Yes. Thank you. Apple, 2-minute EWO riders. How we doing over there? Is everybody still sweating bullets? You guys okay? Everybody's all right? Good. Good job. SPY, if you guys are trading SPY, ES futures, Qs, or any of those, a lot of chop here. Be careful. I told you this is choppy chop zone, right? Okay, good.
Yep, I'm not touching that thing for right now.
Thank you. I'm looking for SPY to break through this VWAP area. I want it below that 621 again. You guys remember that 621 critical area?
Yup.
Absolutely, coach.
Yep.
Absolutely.
That's what we're looking for.
Let's go.
Coach.
Talk to me, Eric. You doing all right today? You making any money, my friend?
Oh, every day, coach. Every single day here with ADT.
Thank you. Appreciate
.com.
it. Thank you. Oh, by the way, speaking of
Go ahead.
that, if you guys want to pick up any of our merch, go to americandreamtrading.store. americandreamtrading.store or americandreamtrading.shop. You choose. Take your pick. I know. We made it so easy for you. I get it. I know. Hold the applause. I get it. Okay. Check it out, though, right? Pick up some merch like this hat. Absolutely beautiful. There goes Spy. Come on, baby. Break.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Break that VWAP.
That was 20.
Oh, nice
It
job.
was 10 per candle for the last 4 minutes, and that was 20.
Yes. Good job. Good job.
1 minute to shift
Amazon
change.
Yellow.
1 minute to shift change. Thank you.
I don't know, Palm. It sounds like you might be a little rusty from vacation.
Yeah, right. You got to shut it down.
I'm getting it all oiled out again.
Yeah, he is. My man's over here making $10,000, $20,000 per trade. Nice job.
I'm gonna wait the 10 o'clock and see what Spy's gonna really do.
Good job. There it goes. Come on, baby. Flush out. That's what I'm looking for. A little more. I got to be careful. I'm going to just take it off. There. Oh, shit. I took that early. Excuse my language. Damn it.
It's okay. You have 15 seconds to 10
I
10
did
o'clock.
it, Palm, because we're at that 621, and I was, concerned about a bounce. Same with you, right?
Yep. I'd rather ring the register and get slapped back.
Yep. That's it with a bounce hard. 10 o'clock, shift change. Here we go. Watch for the break of 620.50 is what I'm looking for now. Otherwise, be careful. That was support. Remember, 620.50 is support. I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice. There's the bounce. See if it's got more. I want to see this break 620.50 and go nunites. But real quick, Apple, new low a day. Apple 2-minute EWO riders. How you doing now? How you doing?
How you doing? Oh, I'm doing good, coach. We're retesting that 2-week 41.
Thank you. You guys should be all
for
set
possible
making
new lows.
You guys should all be making $1 million. Thank you. That's nice.
We appreciate you, coach.
Good job, bud. Anybody pick up that scoop on SPY triple bottom at 620.50 for support? Anybody at all? Talk to me.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Google and Amazon still going down yellow a day.
Thank you. By the way, where else would you ever find somebody who can tell you exactly to each penny the moves it's going to make before it gets there, why it's going to do what it's going to do when that happens? Has anybody ever seen that before, ever in the history of stock market trading? Ever?
Never.
I never have, and I've been watching all of them. I've never seen one ever do what we do in this room. Ever.
SPY's in a 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Thank you. Still waiting for it to break 620.50 to give me the next pull. That is support. It's getting awful heavy here. There's support, and it came back fast. Hopefully I didn't miss that. See if we can get a little more. That came back real fast. Super bearish the way that came back to it. See if we can get a breakthrough here. There it goes. I'll take it. $375. There's your flush. It's got more to give. Going in smaller. Take it. 37. Still got more to give. Yep. Going in small again. There it is. 150. I'll take it. All right. I'm not buying any more puts. I'm seeing support here at 620.24. Be careful waiting for the break of 620.24. Don't touch it now. Is everybody in the room listening to the sound of my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, Coach.
Good job. You want to know why we make more millionaires than anybody in the history of stock market training and education that's ever been known around the lands?
You're a genius.
Because of
No,
this.
why that, Coach?
Thank you.
I know.
Because we listen into
Because
your
of you.
voice.
It's
Thank
because
you.
of you.
Thank you. Did anybody see how that bounced on 620.24 where I told you don't be buying any more puts down there? Did anybody listen to the sound of my voice?
No
Sold
put.
the
No
gamma,
put.
sold the gamma about the calls.
Nice job. Good job. Yeah, as soon as that thing put the brakes on, right? When you see it go,
Yep.
halt, I'm
Yeah.
out.
Sell into the mess.
Yep.
And then sold that off at right at 59.
Yeah, beautiful job. Watch for the break of 620.24, but 620, you've got another level of support. 620 is going to be another level of support. So if you guys are looking for an A+ setup, I'd wait for below 620 at this point. But we are on the bottom of that regression channel. If this finds any volume at all to the upside, this is going to pop back up to that 621. So this is what I'm paying attention to. This was your pre-market low area at 620.72. So right here, this is a big number, this spot. We're going to see. You're going to get a push. It's going to be here. Otherwise, see if we get a breathe back pull, and then I'll enter again. 620.50, that was our major level before, which was once support, is now resistance. Waiting for that break of 624 to 620. Small positions, everybody in the room, right? Small positions with stop losses. That's how you win this battle, am I right? Oh, there she goes. Come on. Break that 620 and flush. Come on, a little more and flush. That's a nice candle.
So pretty.
Yeah, just hold. Wait for the break of 620. What a nice candle, though. Hit that 620.50 we had previously marked. Pulled back right to 620, which is what I was looking for. Dancing around that 624. 620 and 24-ish. Let me look. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Flush. Getting in. Taking it. Broke even. It's right on 620. Going small. The only reason I'm taking it out quick is because it keeps stalling. If it would have went, right, give me a little bit more bleed out, I would have held into it. But when it's stalling when I'm in it, especially on a critical area that I have marked, I'm not going to hang around in there. Does that make sense?
And look at that too, the penny.
Yep.
Just sold off into 620 and played the bounce.
Yes, nice job.
$10 mark, right?
Absolutely. Come on, baby. Let's see what you got. Still waiting it out. Let's see what we're dancing with here. So far, I'm up $1,300 for the day. Little dabs will do you, right, gang? Watching right here. See if we get that breakthrough 620. Still waiting. It's got to be your A+ setup. Who's waiting for that A+ setup?
I am.
Everybody's busy.
Same.
Waiting
Good.
for the A+ setup, coach.
Good. Because if you didn't, you just got smacked, right?
It took the bounce, coach.
Oh, nice job. Yeah, take it up to the 9.
I mean, I'm waiting for the next one.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 620.
Yeah, I had a level at 873.50 on NQ, so I took it up to.
Oh, there you
9
go.
off of that level.
Okay, good job. Good job. Thank you, everybody, for watching, by the way. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for those gifts. 620 still support over here. Thank you for the gifts, Bucko. I can't see what that name is. M with a bunch of symbols. D-Rock, thank you. The Rogue Ranger. Dr. One Fly, thank you. Shay, Dane, thank you for all those gifts. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the new subscribers over there on TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate all of you. All right, let's see what we've got. Now, SPY's coming back to previous day close. It's got a little bit of room to go. 50 cents. Still got 50 cents to go, but we're going to be keeping an eye on this here. Now, overall market condition. Now, remember when it started to move back to the upside, but I told you guys it's still overall to the downside. You guys remember me saying that?
Yep.
Yep,
By the way, Google has been beautiful to the downside.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, now we're just waiting here. But SPY it did go from green to red. Green to red. So if it can stay down in this, below that 620.50, let it ride, right?
Yep.
Small position sizes. Use your stops. Do what you're supposed to do. Nobody go crazy, right? Everybody be cool. EWO riders, I see you guys are all the way out of your EWO. Congratulations. Did you guys do good over there? Everybody did well? Talk to me.
Previous hot stock ASST breaking resistance to the upside.
Thank you. ASST, did you guys hear that?
I typed it at a lounge.
Thank you. Good job. In the stock lounge. Okay, thank you.
I typed it in the chat, sorry.
Yep, thank you.
Looks like Oracle is going to break out now.
All right, thank you. Oracle to the upside. Okay, thank you. SPY still dancing right here. Let's take a peek at Oracle. ORCL. No, Oracle is a no-go. Oracle's a no-go. No, don't touch that. 237 was the bounce. Wait till the break of VWAP and hold to the upside before you go dancing with that devil. You hear me? Okay.
What did you say?
Wait till the break and hold a VWAP on that. If you didn't get it on that 237 bounce, you better wait till the break and hold above VWAP, okay?
All right, 10-4.
Thank you.
Coach, look at the candle on Apple.
Not financial tax or investment advice. Oh, yep, I see it. Yeah, but that already gave you, right, candle confirmation above VWAP would have cleared me out of there. See it right here on the 2-minute? This one? That one would have got me out of it. Thank you. Love you. Bang, bang. All right, let's see. 620 still on SPY. 620 still on SPY. That's still everything, right, gang?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Good job over there, Mark. I see you. Good job. Mark getting it done on the daily. Mark's soon becoming our $6 million man. Nice job. If you guys haven't seen his journey, make sure you check out the aftermarket where he talks about turning his $700 into multi-million dollars, right? $700. Learned it all right here. Was never a day trader before American Dream Trading, getting it all right here. And now trading futures in front of all of your faces live every day from 2 to 4 o'clock.
That was an awesome interview. And Palm, thank you so much for coming on last night.
Yeah,
It
I
was
got to
really,
check that
really
out. I got to
Yeah,
check
it
it
was
out.
good. Good
My,
stuff.
my privilege. My privilege. Thanks for hosting. Thank you for having me.
For sure.
That was awesome. I got in there a little late to watch you guys, but I loved it.
I heard it was amazing.
Awesome episode.
Yeah, I heard it was amazing.
A lot of good mindset nuggets.
It's always good when we get Palm in there and suck all the juice out of his brain.
Give me palm juice.
That's right.
Or
Oh,
give
there
me
it is.
death.
Palm juice. There it is.
Palm juice, baby.
There it is. All right, there's your 620 bounce to 620.56. Now, do you guys all see if I'm going to short this, why I'm waiting for that below 620? Everybody sees that, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
21 too, right?
Yep. Now, right here, we're at 620.56. I can short this right here. You got the 21 there, 620.56 there. I'm missing it because I'm talking about it, but this is the short. Okay. Okay. And where would my stop go right here? If I shorted this here, where would my stop go?
Right above 21.
Right above it.
There you go. So how big is my risk?
Little.
Minimal.
Very little.
What about my reward?
Huge.
There you go.
Endless.
There, endless, infinite, forever.
I mean, we know what SPY can do.
We do. Right here.
It's a little bit pricey, but I'm also in BMNR. I posted that quite a bit earlier. It's still continuing to run.
Oh, thank you. Is that
EWO.
That's a hot stock pick, right?
From a while back, yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Good call. Right here watching SPY. See if this has the momentum to break that 620.50 or not. If it does, boom, all your stops will be triggered. No harm, no foul. Flip the script as long as it stays above 620.50. Boom, we'll long it back up to VWAP. This is still considered on the 50, so be careful. This is where a lot of people will get overzealous, and this thing will knife drop, hammer your face. You're like, I'm going to go long, and then it'll go. This is still technically considered at the 21, which is still resistance, which is still a battle zone for you. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Okay, good.
Yes, coach.
I'm going to dance just a little bit here, real short. Oh, don't like that red candle coming out of there. Come on, you get a spike.
Let me go.
Somebody's mic's open. Moderators, kill it. Thank you. I'm going to get out of this trade. I'm going to flip this to a 30-second. I'm going to get real down and dirty now. What's that?
I said, I agree. A minute seems like an eternity today.
Oh, yeah. It's just horrible. Still sitting here on
Coach,
this.
I want to wait for you to mention it, but I tried the 30-second on those puts at the top, and it helped me tremendously.
Oh yeah, especially when they're not dancing a whole lot, it'll give you a much better vision of what's happening. All right, here we go. We're back below that 620.50. So I will short it here on the move below 620.50. It was green, but I wanted a little more. Still okay off this spot. Come on. There it goes.
PR, okay, hot stock pick, hold it to the upside.
Thank
We'll
you.
resume at 10, 20, 23.
Thank you. Good call. Oh, I was just sitting here dancing on this spot. Come on.
For toss users, that's about 100 to 130 ticks.
There it goes. I'll take it. There it goes. Now, I want you guys to understand, did you everybody see how I was going against what everybody in your heads wanted to do? Did everybody catch that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we did.
Yep. How many of you wanted to long that while I was shorting it?
I
All of
would.
it.
Yep. Probably
That's what
everybody
I'm
in the room.
saying.
Yeah, I would say everybody in the room. Hold on one sec. Let me get my dog some water. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. How are you? You're so good. You're so good. Let me get you some fresh water. Hold on. Let me help the old stinky dog while you guys are making money on the ride from 620.50 as long as it stays below the 9 back down to 620. Okay, hold on. Hi. Hi. I know. We're making millionaires. That's what we do here. We just make people millions of dollars. What do you think of that? Huh? It's $1 million. Yes. Who are we going to make the next millionaire? Who's going to be the next millionaire? Huh? Who do you think? Who's it going to be? Huh? Hold on. Still alive. Tell you when I'm done. Don't forget, you got to sign for my watch. Okay, I'll be back. I got you, Bubba Gumps. All right, I'm back. How we doing?
PR, okay, halted up again.
Thank you.
Be careful on that PROK. You're also on a pre-market double top. Upside haul's usually good, but just be mindful of that double top.
I got a trailing stop placed in ever since crossing VWAP.
Good job.
Yeah, be careful. Sometimes the unhalts can crush those trailing stops too.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And then it'll start triggering a bunch of stops.
They work 50% of the time, those trailing stops.
Yep. That's because they'll blow right through them. Gotta be careful with that high volatility, right?
Yep.
So who shorted SPY below that 620.50? By the way, I'm going to show you guys in just a minute why I did completely opposite of everybody in the room and the world so that we could make money on that trade, okay?
I'm in a put.
Thank you. I'll show everybody
Thanks.
exactly why I did what I did when I did it. Because I know damn well everybody in the universe wanted to go long there. Any bets on that? Anybody?
I'm not taking it. I already admitted it.
Thank you.
Nope, we believe you.
Thank you. Just waiting for the break of 620 to the downside is what I'm looking for on your next A-plus trade setup, right? All right, while we're waiting for the A-plus trade. Oh, never mind. Hold on. It's coming. Hold on. Making a nice move. Staying below the 9. If you guys heard what I said earlier, make sure you guys are sticking with this put all the way down to that 620 level as long as it stays below the 9. Everybody heard it before I left. Did you hear it? Yes. Thank you. Good. Good job. Now, who else will tell you exactly what to do while they walk away? Huh? Am I right?
Just you, the dog lover.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right, right here, looking for this A-plus setup pull. This is support. This is support right here.
This is where I would want to get in.
There it goes. Now I'm going to wait for this candle to come back because I am not grabbing the tail of that. I want to see this bounce.
Yeah. No more of that.
Well, typically I can, but the way it stopped half candle. It's not giving me anything to grab a hold of. It's just going to keep going. If that's the case, I'll go smaller. Good job. A-plus level setup here below 620, right, gang? Good job. It just didn't give me anything to grab a hold of it. It just shot through it and bye-bye. If you guys shorted it, though, where I told you, you're in the biz, right?
I'm up $30 in one contract.
Thank you. Yeah, if you guys shorted it, which was way up here at 620.50 when I told you, and then I said stay in it as long as it was below the what?
21.
9. Thank you. Yep. Told you.
I don't know. I wasn't
Told you
listening.
exactly what I told you exactly what to do, when to do it, why to do it, how to do it. This is like turning on a ATM and opening it up and saying, "Here you go. Free money." You like free money? I like free money. Does everybody else in the room like free money?
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Coach, you've been giving it to us since 8:30 this morning.
Absolutely. It's keeping it going, keeping the dream alive, baby.
Thank you.
Love it. Love it.
Let's see, 619.64. I have this marked before it got here, and it stopped to the penny. Do you guys see it? I had it marked from previous, and it stopped right to the penny. See it on my screen?
It's almost like you've been doing this for 30 years.
I know it, right? Long time. So I got no hair and gray hair. I'm old. I got that old skin falling off
Right
my
there with
face.
you.
The goatee.
The goatee. All right. While this is doing this, I'm not going to trade this. Let me show you guys what we were looking at. Training mode. So while I went against the grain of the universe, was right here. Hold on. am I missing? Oh, I'm using the wrong tool set. All right, I'll just draw it. All right. So while everybody was longing this, right, because you saw this beautiful move to the upside, this upside move, you have to remember a couple things. That 620.50 was a major level that we were looking at before. That was here, here, and all of this. So I already knew in my head 620. If I could write, that'd be great. By the way, media team, giving you magic. So 620.56, I already knew was my resistance level. I saw this engulfing candle take over when it was trying to make new highs. This is why I bought puts right here. Then all I had to do was be patient, and you can see right when it broke out of this trend line to the downside, it was lights out. This right here is exactly when I said, as long as it stays below the 9, for you to stay in it until 620, which we hit 620, and it went lights out, right? So this right here is why I went against the world on an uptrend, because of this spot, this resistance level with this engulfing candle. Couldn't hold, broke trend line, lights out, payday. Make sense?
It does. Can I address something real quick?
Yep, go.
All right. Like if you were looking at an engulfing candle in a book, it wouldn't be that. So what you're seeing real world versus what's in the books is a little different.
No, that's not true. This is an engulfing candle in the book, anywhere. Yep.
Okay.
Remember, an engulfing candle is just a candle larger, the body larger than the previous candle, partner. This?
Maybe it's just my screen, but I can't see it taller than the green one.
Everybody see this? Is this red body larger than this green body, everybody in the room?
Yes.
Yes.
And didn't it close below it, which is to the downside?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. That's an
I
engulfing
guess what's
candle.
confusing me is the green closed above it.
That's okay. None of that matters. Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Right. It's always when any candle, it doesn't matter where, and the second candle that shows up, right, is larger than that candle, right? So this body is larger than this body, and you can see clearly down here when we have the space, meaning it's closing downside, right? This is bearish, and of course it was red versus the green, which was another huge identifier, right? That's all we were looking for.
Yep.
Yep. It's a big one.
That's showing it didn't hold that level too, so you would wait to enter that because it didn't hold it.
That's correct. Yeah, if I wanted to long it, that's right. So if I wanted to long it, technically this candle has to close above this candle, previous candle high, right?
It only took me 2.5 years to figure that out, but I got it.
That's what I call a
I'm
confirmation.
right with you, apparently.
Think about it. Isn't that what I always say a confirmation candle is?
So, Coach, I got in mine at 9:34, and I just stayed in it.
Thank you.
So I'm way at the top. That was a good entry, right? I mean, it is. I mean, I'm ahead, so it's a good entry. But I should. I couldn't have shed, so I only had one. So that's why I didn't shed.
I got you. I don't know where you said you got in, but good job.
9:34. Yeah, the 9:34.
The time 9:34.
Yeah, the time 9:34.
Okay, let me look. 9:34 entry. Right. Make it nice. Make it right. Right there is where she got in. Everybody see it? I don't know why you got in. What did you buy there?
No, that can't be right. Hang on, let me look at mine.
Oh, boy.
Hang on a second. That can't be right.
Different time zone.
Well, that's 2 hours, but I got in at.
She's
hang
in
on.
Christina time zone.
Yeah, exactly. That's the time zone, but it worked out good for me. So
very nice.
No, I'm sorry. I got in at. Hang on. I had the wrong chart up. I had the wrong chart up.
It's all
So I had my
right.
Apple chart up.
You guys
Sorry.
can discuss it later. Love your face.
Yeah. Anyway, I
So-
love you too. But anyway, I'm still in the green. So
I got you. What we were looking for, right? Your guys' best setup out of that, remember, was up here.
yeah.
This is, remember when I said, hey, we're starting to get really long. We're way up in the clouds. And I told you guys to pay attention to this. And then I said, here we are on a double top. Right here was the double top. And what do we do on double tops?
Yep.
Anybody?
I got in on that
What do
super
we-
trend in the middle of them.
Anybody?
Right,
What do we? There you go.
Short.
There it is. There it is.
Yep.
So
SPY went green.
That's right. It was here. So right here was your cup, right? Came down. There's your handle. Couldn't hold. Bye-bye. Right? Everybody see the cup and handle?
Yes.
I see it. I'm such a good armchair quarterback.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Anyways, but these are all the little things, right, that we're paying attention to. Now look at this bounce. Again, what did I say that needed to get below before an A+ setup to short it again?
The 9.
620. Good job.
I was going to say 620.
Thank you. Thank you. Right? We saw it down here. All right, right here. All the way back. Look at the bounce on SPY, huh? This right here, by the way, is why you check that bias at the door. This is why you trade what you're supposed to trade. Trade what the market gives you, not what you think. So think about this. While SPY was crashing and going all downside, and right, everybody was, yay. I promise you, there were people in the room that thought SPY was just going to crash all day, because that's how you get it in your head, especially when you get in a good trade. Like, this is just going to go down for so long. I'm going to make so much money. Who is it? Somebody in the room tell me. I know you did. Come
Me,
on.
coach.
Yep. Anybody else?
That was me too, coach.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yep. Hey, who else?
The mind gets in the way,
It
coach.
does. Now, what do I
didn't
talk
do
about?
it. Gotta control yourself.
What do I talk about? What are the two things that drive you when you're trying to trade?
Fear and greed.
Yep. So what was this one down here?
That would be greed.
That's right. So when our heads start to tell us, ooh, it's going to go forever. I'm going to make so much money. Stop, right? That's when, listen, so if you guys ever start to hear those words, number one, if you ever hear yourself, I hope, you better check that trade fast. I hope it gets back to where I was. Because typically that means I don't have a stop, or I'm in a bad spot and I shouldn't be in it. How many people have said that?
I have.
Yep, me too. I got my hand up. Trust me.
Plenty of times.
So what's the other thing we always say? Oh my gosh, I hope I at least get back to break even and I'll get out.
Every day.
Every
But
day.
I got to get my money back.
All the time.
Right? Now, there is a huge problem with that. There is a huge problem with that. If the trade does not look like it's supposed to come back to get you to break even, you have to get rid of it. It doesn't matter anymore. The trade was not right. Run away. You're done. So instead of letting your brain go, well, I hope it comes back to break even and then I'll... Wrong. All wrong. If the trade isn't right, get the hell out of it. Set up for the next one. If that was your loss for the day and you hit your limit, you're done. You don't get to do it again. Oh, I'll do one more trade. How many of you in the room have been beyond your maximum limit, loss limit for the day, and say, I'll just do one more trade. Anybody?
Just
one more.
Yep.
I have.
Just one more, about 3 or 4 times.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah. These,
guilty.
So
I'm
when,
guilty.
yeah,
Coming in off of
when you
Wednesday.
guys,
One more by a
when you
shark.
guys start to hear these things, right? When you guys start to hear these things, you better check yourself. It better be in your journal. You better be writing it down. These are just some of the buzz things that happen in our own brains while we're trading and executing stuff. Okay?
That's
Right
the
now
key.
it's SPY,
My
2 minute to
switch.
the upside.
Thank
Once
you.
Is
you
that
know,
another
'cause
major double top on SPY?
Yeah, so SPY, we're coming up to a major level of resistance. Right? We already had it. I've already got it charted. It's literally right here in your faces. See it? We're coming right back to the clouds. Mena, go ahead. You got your hand up. Sorry about that. Mena, go ahead. No? Okay. Yeah, we're back up here in the clouds. Everybody be cool.
Yeah, you're sitting on the 200. It looks like high day from yesterday. It's just a bad spot.
It really is. Yeah, that's so today's high was 621.66. The pre-market high was 621.97, which is technically 622, right? That's why I've got it marked up here, by the way. If you guys look at this, you guys see exactly where I have up here under the top, 622. That's your pre-market high. And you had the open at 621.30. This is why I told you guys earlier. Remember, at 621.30, I told everybody to be cool. Remember that? I said, start watching. This is your spot. And what did it do last time? It got really choppy chop right here, didn't it?
Yep, sure did.
Yep. So if it got choppy in these areas, right, that is a huge red flag for me to pay attention, right? There's my red flag. So we'll keep an eye on this spot. Did anybody, by the way, get the bounce or get it when it broke above VWAP or get it when it broke 620.51 or 620.50 or on my biggest gold level of the day so far, which was 621? Did anybody do anything in any of these while I've been training you all day and not making money?
I did.
Thank you.
We got that bounce on Apple, Coach.
All right, thank you.
I got it above VWAP, boss.
Nice job.
Puts on the 621.50, Coach, when you mentioned it
Good
earlier.
job, everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, we got that bounce, Coach, on Apple. We are testing that pre-market high. We got up to 210.22. We shaped here. Next possible shape is 210.50. Over.
Thank you. Yep, 210.50. That's exactly where I see. Nice job. Good job over there. 2-minute EWO riders, Eric and David. Over.
Roger that.
Thank you. Roger, Roger.
Coach,
Tell me.
Tesla just hit new high a day.
Thank you. Tesla new high a day. Thank you. Who scooped that up yesterday, right? What a fire sale that was. I told you if there's not, remember, what did I say yesterday? Right? I said, as if it's not real news, like if it's not an actual, the business did something, it's a perfect opportunity to scoop the dip, right? And let it rip. You guys remember me saying that? I said that thing could run 8%. Isn't that exactly what I said yesterday?
Yep.
Yep.
You did.
Thank you. By the way, one of my members just posted over to me. This member is whose name shall not be said, kind of like Voldemort, is $85,635.05 today at 10:21, by the way. Who would like to make $85,000 by 10:40 in the morning? Anybody?
Sign me, please. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Mena or Mena.
I'll have what he's having.
Thank you. Mena, go ahead.
Can you hear me now, Coach?
Yep, I hear you, partner. Go ahead. Sorry about that
I
earlier.
had some Oh, no problem. I had a problem with my microphone. I have one last issue that I just can't seem to overcome. That's really standing in my way of like really being really successful.
Okay,
right?
tell me.
And over here at Google at about 10 o'clock, I'm looking at that. Right. I already missed the other place. I wasn't looking at it. There was another drop before that, but I wasn't looking at the time. But I was looking at it here at 10.
Okay.
And I did not get into that. And my brain's like, this looks like it'll probably pull a little further. This might be a good spot to get in. But instead, what I do is, which is not exactly a bad deal, but it's not, I do this every time. I do this all the time. I got in at like 10:09, somewhere in there, right? And even though that was, I lost on that trade. That's my only trade for the day. Quite frankly, I'm just going to be done. I see this stuff all the time. I do this all the time. Every day. And I'm not talking about that looking back. Oh, I should have got in that bullshit.
Yeah.
Right. I'm talking about the stuff I'm looking at. I'm looking at a trade. I'm thinking this is a great place to get in. It's low risk. Right.
Yep.
So even if it doesn't work, I might be out like $5.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
And I just don't do it. I don't commit. And
I got you.
I do this almost every day.
Sure. So you're
not
just
every day,
hesitating. You're just hesitating on the entry. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah,
I got you.
yeah. And then when it goes, I'm like, oh, I shouldn't chase, which I don't, right? And then it's like just a 4-candle trade there.
Yeah. So let's discuss. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. So you're trading Google, right? It's a high-end stock. Are you, first of all, are you a scalper or a 2-minute EWO? I'm assuming you're scalping.
Scalper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Options, shares.
Options.
Okay. How long have you been here today with us?
I'm on your OGs.
Just today. How long have you been in this room listening to the sound of my voice?
When did I get
today?
in here? At 5.
Okay. So you've been listening to me all morning?
Yeah.
Why are you trading Google?
It's one of my stocks.
Does everybody understand what I'm saying right now? Everybody in the room?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Listen to the sound of your
Everybody
voice.
in the room.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
Hey, Coach,
Everybody in the
I
room,
just heard
right?
it. I didn't hear it last week. I just heard it.
Yeah, so listen, and the only reason I'm saying this is because you're already trading a higher end stock, which is almost $200, right? I've given you
$100.
Yep. So I've given you SPY though all day, every exact, accurate to the penny move, location, master scalp all day. And you're looking at Google and wondering why you're not getting in. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah. I do have SPY up. Sometimes when it's a little, when it doesn't breed confidence, I don't trade it. I just put it that way.
Right. But when you're a coach, when the head coach is in the room trading it, number one, right alongside. Number two, giving you the exact play-by-play, like the entire day. Like every second it has moved, you have known about it. Everybody in the room, even if you're not trading, there's nothing on planet Earth I would be looking at.
Gotcha.
If your head coach is literally got the whiteboard out and all you're doing is doing advanced master scalp training the entire day, unless you are literally making millions of dollars on Google because you're that good, it should have been training day only, even if you didn't want to trade it. Does that make sense to everybody in the room?
Yes,
absolutely.
Perfect sense, Coach. Perfect.
It's been the same message for 3 years.
Yeah, and listen, and I'm not picking on you, but what I'm trying to say is, all right, let's look at it this way. How much do you on average make per day or in that trade, if you want to say it?
On Google?
Yes.
$10.
Right. So instead of you trying to make literally $10 today, you would have learned every in and out and why I do what I do. Because I can promise you right now, and he didn't tell me, and I guarantee you Palm has made at least $500,000 today, and I don't want to say it, and I don't know, and I'm just throwing it out there, and maybe he's made $26. I don't want to put that kind of pressure on him because Palm will only and always has and never has not listened when I am speaking in the room. Do you all understand? You don't have to trade what I'm telling you, but you have to train what I'm telling you, right? Because tomorrow, if I'm not talking about SPY all day and I'm not trading it alongside of you and we're not discussing it, tomorrow would be the perfect day for you to be in Google. If you hear me calling out, hey, look at Apple, look at SPY, look at Qs, hey, check it out, hey, let's talk, hey, guess what? You wouldn't believe what I bought and did in my Tesla and the things. Those are a great day for Google. Right? But you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So for you, your $10 loss, you missed all the training today. So you want to know why you're not getting into trades when I would have shown you exactly when, how, why, with the confidence, so that tomorrow, if you traded Google, you would be confident. See what I'm saying?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep,
Apply it to what you are going to do. I'm not telling you to trade SPY every day, but
I get you.
yeah. But I've showed you guys today. I showed you why in the pre-market. I showed you why it was hitting those upper band levels. I showed you where it was going to go on the bottom and why I was going to do it. I showed you exactly when to get in, when to get out, why to do, what it's doing. And you guys are staring at, illy or whatever today. Like, what are we doing in here? Save that shit for either after hours or if the coaches, I'm only in here 2 hours. You guys want to trade willy-nilly freaking Timbuktu stocks, knock yourselves out. But do you see what I'm saying? And as far as your trade goes, though, partner, let's go back to your trade while you were staring at Google. And only you, what's the first thing you do on your chart for your trade of the day? What's the first thing I train you to do?
First things I do is I do previous day high and low and overnight high and low.
Okay. So it's going to be pre-market high, pre-market low. Let's market everybody in the room. Okay. Everybody in the room. We're going to do this all on Google. So pre-market high was right here. Previous day high up here. So you had no worries. Previous day low was right here. Pre-market low, let me look at 4 o'clock, which was right technically here. Those are our main levels for the day. Everybody see those? Those are our main. So that's where we start, right? We don't want to do anything else, but that's where we start. Now,
that's right.
If I'm looking at these areas, I can tell you right here, the best trade of the day, everybody in the room, the best trade of the day is a double top, typically, right?
Right.
And it's always a double top on either the pre-market high or even better yet is previous day high. So right here is actually the trade. This is your double top, broke through, couldn't hold, even gave you giant red confirmation, lights out, rest of the day. That's it.
That was pretty fast. I couldn't get in that.
I got you. All right.
Yeah.
I got you. But that's the best, right? So if I'm like, hey, what's
that's the best one.
Yep, perfect. So if that's the case, a couple things I can do, obviously, as a scalper. So I'm going to look at major key areas, which were right here. This was the biggest key area of the day because this is the data it already gave me. That's here, here, all of this, and here. So I watch this exact spot. I will trade this spot right there.
That actually was significant yesterday, too.
Yeah. So that would be probably a gold level to me, right?
Yeah.
So if that's the case and I'm scalping it and look at it, right? Came through, came back up. Came back up. So what is this telling me, everybody? When it's coming up to it and it keeps stopping, what is this?
That's resistance.
So what do we do on resistance?
Puts.
There you go. Rest of the day, that's it. There's your trade. There's all your money. There's your $10.
That's right. Yep.
That's so you over here, I have no idea why, right? This is so far and beyond where you should be starting the setup. You see what I mean?
Right.
It's so far. Just like in here. What was now we had this 117.63 charted out, which was right here. This was low a day. Look at what it's doing on low a day, right? Could not break through VWAP. Busted back through low a day, boom, short.
Right.
Now you're on support. Now it's going to want to bounce here. Everybody in the room, I've been doing this all day with SPY though, right?
100%.
Yes.
And Palm, you even made a joke about it.
Yeah.
So there's your $10 right there off your bounce. Now, if you would have been listening to me on SPY, I showed you all day to do the same thing, right, partner?
That's correct.
Yep. So right there's your $10. You made your money. There's your trade. So if you're hesitating, it's typically because you don't know exactly where to do it, right? Or you have the fear of losing the money. So that means we don't want to use real money because that fear is controlling it. So in your journal, it's going to show you, am I scared because I'm afraid to lose money? Maybe you've had tons of losses or you haven't gone green yet, which means you're still not ready for real money. Or is it because I don't trust where my setups are? And that would indicate you better still be listening to Coach 24/7. Make sense?
Yes.
And there you go. And thank you, by the way. I'm not picking on you. I need
Oh, no,
everybody.
I get it.
Yeah. I need everybody on the same page. If I'm spending the time, literally 2 hours dedicated to one stock, and you guys are watching me, I'm trading it right next to you. It would be a great opportunity to, right? How does the head coach do it? Look at this bounce off of SPY at 619.64, which to the penny we had marked earlier, just like your Google setup, right, Mena? Same thing, boom, bottom, bounce.
That's correct.
Got it and bought it, Coach.
There you go.
Rode that all the way from resistance to the top.
Oh, good. Yeah, did it hit up? It did. It did the exact same thing again. Look.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. It's glorious.
That was nice.
Yeah, that is
I ain't
nice.
gonna lie.
Palm, you like the way I threw them mystical numbers out there without even knowing?
It's like you're one with the stockiverse.
I bet I was close, and you don't have to say it, but I would put money on it. All right, Richard, go ahead. I see you. Thank you for being patient. Appreciate you.
No problem. Listen, for those that have small accounts or little experience, we've talked many times about SPY may not be the one you want to trade in.
Correct.
But what you need to embrace is there's a difference between when coach or somebody that is teaching a trade is not there. That if you have those experience, then don't be doing it later in the day when you're alone. But when coach is talking, and this is exactly what he's just getting to, just want to understand if you're thinking, well, I'm not supposed to be doing SPY, it's a difference when you're in a class with he's holding your hand and walking you through it. That's it.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And it's training time, right? So if you can't trade it or you don't want to trade it, it should be don't touch nothing. You're not paper trading. You're not doing anything, right? If it's full-blown training mode, if all you're hearing is training coming out of my face, put everything down. Seriously. Oh, but I'm going to make $60. You're going to lose $6 million worth of training. Ask Mark. Do you understand? It's not worth it for you to make that. Well, I got to make my $23, but I'm not going to listen to what he's saying. Then you will always just be making $23. Do you understand? I hope you guys get it. I mean, if I am spending the time and really pounding away on this thing, which I have been doing this for a while now to make sure you get it, and I'm sure some of you are really starting to see how the magic is starting to happen in your lives here. Focus. When I'm training, you need to focus. Stop trading. What do I say every day? Train more, trade less. What I train you on today can set you up forever, right? Stop with the, but I'll make $300 today. But what I'm showing you will make you $3 million. Do you understand the difference?
Training, sir.
Yes. Please. I know, especially, right? Especially some of you OGs who've been here a long time, like, I listen all the time. Listen, if you are still not finding success, everybody in this room, and you've been here for years and you are one of my OGs, it already tells me you're not listening to the sound of my voice. You've never applied my rules, and you are not executing on my plan. Am I right or wrong?
Most correct.
You're right.
You spot on.
You're right, boss.
Right. 100%.
Right. So do you want to spend another 3 years doing what you've been doing for those 3 years? Or do you now today is my brand new start, right? Or are you going to do this for another 3 years and spin the wheels and be like, well, I don't know why I'm not getting it. Oh, shit, I just lost 12% of my account today. That would be impossible. That's not a part of my rules. Get it now? Thank you. Appreciate you. Damn it. Why is the coach always so angry at us? Listen.
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, if you guys were my football or baseball players that I trained forever, I would say the same thing, right? If you keep doing the same ass thing and you're getting the same results, how about this time you pay attention, right? That's why we're doing all the whiteboarding and spending all the time. If you ask any professional fighter or boxer or wrestler, all the work is in the practice room. That's where all the work is done. You don't get to train when you enter into the real fight or the real wrestling match, right? Or the football game or the baseball game. They're training. There's no training there, right? This is go time. We put the work in while I am training you. That way you are ready to go on your own. Do you understand me, everybody?
Yes.
Yes,
I
Coach.
do.
Yes, sir.
What do they say? A trainer,
Hey,
a
Coach?
fighter, it's 1,000 hours for a fighter to get into the ring. Every fight is 1,000 hours, right? So then when you get in the ring, right, you're ready to go. Second nature. So if you guys are still dinking around, while he's talking, I'm gonna look at stuff and do things. What are you doing? God. Love your face. Appreciate you. Thank you for
Yeah,
being here.
you're crazy.
You got a couple hands.
Yeah.
Damn you being right about everything all the time. Damn it.
Coach.
Appreciate you.
Coach.
Tell me, what's up, Eric?
Oh my God,
Oh, they're
dude.
printing.
We're about to get 211, Coach, on Apple 211.
Nope, you hear that?
Go.
There it is. Nice.
There it is, Coach. There it is. Oh my Lord. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Just a little bit push. A little bit more, Coach. Oh my gosh.
Nice job.
Okay, I told Bruno if we get above 210 80, 210.81 and 211, I get a free ADT sticker and a free ADT hat.
Nice.
Touchdown!
There it goes.
Let's
Very
go! Yes, I got it, baby. Woo!
This is next time.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, good job. You guys got to ride it down and then up, right? You guys got a twofer. That's a twofer today.
Oh my God, I freaking love this, Coach. Woo! Look
By
at
the
this.
way,
It's still going.
By the way, if you guys don't know, Eric just bought a brand new model. You got the new, right? What is it?
I got the 2026 Tesla Juniper, Coach.
Juniper,
I'll take a picture of my car right now. Post
yeah,
it
how
in
beautiful is that?
Zoom.
Congratulations.
It's the best car I ever had, man. Literally.
What did I say? Right? Isn't that FSD like next level beautiful?
I already forgot how to drive a car. Yeah, I remember when I had to drive a car.
Yes. Oh,
Eric,
dude.
you are crazy, man.
Every time I get in my wife's brand new fully electric 850 horse, super supreme, amazing Rivian. I get it. And I'm like, what is this shit? Like I gotta steer it, and then I gotta do like blinkers and stuff, and then I gotta look for the street I gotta turn on or the exit to get off. Get out of here. What is this, 1994? What are we talking about? What is this, a Ford Taurus? Get it out of here.
Hey, Coach, do you ever get nervous doing it?
Never. Not at all. Not a chance in hell ever. Nope. Not one bit. Nope. Remember, I'm right in front of it. At any time, I can just go, boop, I'm on the wheel, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's not like I'm like, oh, look at, like staring off into outer space or whatever.
It just feels like you're giving them so much power, though.
Yeah, it's just nice because listen, you go, this is where I want to go. I hit the button on my steering wheel. It takes me all the way there, parks my car. That's it. That's it. Puts the blinkers on. It passes slow ass people, goes around construction. Oh, there's a bus. It stops behind the bus. It takes off, right? It puts on the blinkers. It turns. Oh, there's a shortcut. It moves, takes the moves. It does the things. And I just sit there like this. This is awesome. I look around like this is beautiful. It's like having an Uber take you everywhere. It's literally like having a personal chauffeur driving you around. I'm not kidding and I'm not exaggerating. If anybody in this room had ever been in FSD and you had the ability to buy it, you would never. I can buy any car in the world. I'm not being ego braggish weirdo. I can literally buy any car in the world. I don't care if it's $1 million, $2 million. I don't give a shit. I can buy literally any car in the world. I would never, ever not buy a Tesla because of the FSD. That's it. I don't give a shit. I've owned Vets, Mercedes. I've owned some beautiful, beautiful cars, BMWs, like all the things. Not a chance in hell. I go buy a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, a Bugatti, the new Jeep that's coming out, Bentleys. I don't want none of that bullshit. If it don't drive me, I don't want it.
Tony's been patient, Coach.
Tony, go ahead. You're on with the coach.
I can't wait to have the money to buy you guys the cars.
Thank you. Go ahead, Tony. Love your face. Sorry. Thank you for hanging out with us.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. I was just wondering something. You said that the best trade there is puts on a double top,
or
right?
Or calls on a double bottom.
Calls
Absolutely.
on a double bottom.
Yep.
Right.
For me.
So my question is, if I'm an EWO trader,
yep,
and say the EWO turns green for me right as we get to that double top, what am I doing?
Well, remember, if you're in an EWO, those colors don't matter anymore, right? So if I'm in a, think about it, if I'm in a good green trade to the upside,
right,
and it's way above what I paid and it shows red, I don't care. It could go red, green, red, green, red, green, and I'm still above what I paid. I don't care what it does when it gets away from me. Makes sense?
But I think she means when she gets that first flip to a green and she comes up on a
right,
double
but that
top,
doesn't matter. The only time, listen, everybody in the room, literally the only time it matters if the colors change is if you just got in the trade. If you just got in the trade and the colors.
Yeah, so I think the way she's asking is if she's been waiting patiently for a 2-minute EWO to be created. She hasn't been in a trade yet. And she sees that we're coming up to a double top.
Oh, do I
Would we
long
wait
it? Yeah, I got you.
we break a double top
I got
or take it?
Gotcha. No, we always just wait, right? So, yeah, if it's now, remember, there's a little bit of wiggle room. Are we far away from the double top where I can get in early and still be okay? Am I literally on the level? Like, hell no, why would I do that? Right? There are things. If I've got some space before it gets to the double top, yes, I will do it, because even on a pullback, I still might be green up in the range, and that is my buffer zone, right? I'm still okay up there. But if I'm like, literally, this is it, and this is the double top, and I'm like, and it's now showing me 2-minute EWO, I'm not touching that. Hell
Okay.
no. Hell no.
Just be a little more patient.
Yeah, it's just a smidge, right? We got to wait and see what it's going to do, because think of it this way. If you wait just that little bit, even so on Apple, if you wait about 20 cents, you'll know typically within 20 cents of Apple, right? 20, 25 cents ish. If it's going to stay up there and it's 20 cents beyond that double top point, you're probably pretty damn safe. You see what I mean? But if I'm sitting up on that ceiling and I'm still in that 20-cent zone, think of it this way. If I was to get in it, right, how much more do you think you're going to make in 20 cents? It ain't going to be a ton. It ain't worth enough for it to drop 60 cents on my face, right?
True.
So the risk to reward. The beauty of Apple, I mean, not always, but most of the time, because it takes so much to move it, typically not like SPY. You don't see Apple like hit a double top and then like, right? Like, oh shit, right? Like 3 blood candles that like, oh, there goes all my money. That usually doesn't happen. It's like a turtle, right? It's like turning a giant ship. Like, I'm starting to correct now. Right? It's so slow. That's why I have you trade it. Right? So you're all right. Give it a little time. Be a little patient. If it's sitting up on those ranges, just be cool. When in doubt,
straddle it out.
That's right. Or if you're doing the 2-minute EWO, just make sure you guys have that VIP Gold or Diamond Lifetime membership, and you just follow along with David over there. He'll walk you right through everything that's going on with that whole situation, right?
True. I appreciate you, David.
There you go.
Thank you.
He's the damn Apple whisperer. Shit. He loves it.
And Eric's the Apple hollerer.
There you go. The Apple hollerer and
Apple
the
holler.
Apple whisperer.
Holler.
Holla. Good.
Since we're talking Tesla, that was for SPY. That was a 2 Model X's on the way down and 2 Junipers on the way up.
There you go. Did you guys catch that? If you do your quick math, that's awesome. What a way to look at it, right? That's absolutely beautiful. Paramount says, do you own Bitcoin? Yes. Oh, by the way, somebody was asking me about cold storage. Yes, I do use cold storage. Actually, hold on, I'll show you. Sorry, sidetrack note, but somebody asked me earlier and I just never got a chance to get back to it. This is what I use. This right here is what I use for cold storage. Right there. Can everybody see it? That's it. Right there. Ledger Stacks. Ding. There you go. Get yours. Go over to the crypto area. Actually, if you go to, I believe it's discounts, you guys can get that. Use the affiliate link. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Coach.
Yes.
Did you see my ADT license plate frame?
I did, dude. It's so sick.
I just took a picture of the back of my Tesla. I posted it on the Zoom chat.
Put it in the stock lounge.
In the stock lounge?
Yes, that's where everybody be able to see it. Absolutely.
Roger that.
Thank you. Yeah, wait till you guys see this. So this is Eric's brand new car, and he got the American Dream Trading logo and our quote on the license plate. That's sick. Him and Mark. By the way, Mark just bought a brand new car too with his profits that he's been making here. Brand new vehicle, and he did the same thing. Got the American Dream Trading license plate, which is awesome. Okay, real quick. I want to show you guys this. Hold on. I'm starting to see this trend coming off this top. Palm, can you see it too, partner?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, but it's got kind of a weird pattern. We've got
It
kind of
does.
a gentle descending
Yeah.
resistance, but
Yep.
a more rapidly declining support. It's kind of a reverse cone. It's a strange pattern today.
It is. If you look at this too, right? You see right here, it's making right lower highs, lower lows right here. I mean, right here, here.
Yeah.
So
Kind of bizarre.
Yeah. So I don't think it's got the firepower right here to get back up to this, back that 621.50.
I would be surprised. I think that run that came back up most recently was a little bit of a fluke.
Yep, I agree. Yeah, look at this.
I think it was an
pullback.
attempt to break resistance and it fell and it failed.
Yep. And here's the pullback coming off that spot. Yeah, like I said, I'm starting to see this downward trend. You're right. It's like a ascending trend, descending trend, I should say, right here. It just continuing to come down. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody see what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
I do, boss.
Yeah, because look at it, right? It was high here, never made it, and now it's fighting this spot, right? So you can see it's clearly down, down, down off this level. And there goes the pull, right? So if I was trading that, I would have seen that. Remember, we're always looking for patterns, right? I'm always looking for patterns and pattern changes to help identify some of these strange moves like this. Think about it. Nowhere else would you have been able to go, oh, well, that looks like it. Now, you could have saw off the 200 and be like, okay, well, maybe, but we can see it off of this. And those are the things you want to watch for. So now we're back down to VWAP, right? So here's what I want you to watch for. If and only if this can bounce VWAP and break through this level, which we have clearly marked, you will now look for this to run all the way back up, right? If this cannot hold VWAP, I'm looking for this to flush again because that is a sign of weakness and it can't make it.
So if you pull a parallel from the line that you just drew for resistance down, it lines up with the last two lows.
Yeah, which makes sense.
That's the channel.
Yep, absolutely. So that's what I'm looking for, right, gang? We're keeping an eye on that. Oh, there it is. Check out Eric's car. Can you guys see it? Wow, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's the damn stormtrooper right there. Wow, that's a beauty, my friend. Look in the stock lounge. That's Eric's new wheels.
Thank you, Coach.
That looks like a stormtrooper. I love it.
That's the ADT Juniper Stormtrooper.
Yes, I love it. That is beautiful. Nice job.
I got the ceramic tint, all the windows, including the roof, the front windshield.
Yes.
I spent about over $1,000 off of that, no problem.
Yes.
And I just got it detailed twice this weekend, so I spent $200 literally in 2 days.
Wow.
Just because the sprinklers got to my car.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. I know exactly what you mean, my friend.
So, and it's funny because, you know, when you always say, like, dude, like, oh my God, it costs me so much to go to the freaking dentist or this and that. That's why I was telling my eye doctor. I was like, dude, it's costing me so much money by just sitting here with you.
Oh, yeah, it's costing me
I could
thousands
be trading
to have
Apple
my
and
teeth
Spy
cleaned.
right now.
Yep.
Oh.
Isn't that funny how you start to put a different price tag on stuff?
Yeah. And then my neighbor was giving me shit. He was like, dude, you're spending $100 per wash. That's too much money. Like, dude, what are you talking about? I'll lose money for washing my car.
Oh, for sure. You know how fast $100 is? That's less than 2 seconds. That's what I'm like. People don't understand that, right?
Exactly. They
Yeah,
don't
like
know.
right
They don't
now.
know.
Yeah, like right now, right? I barely traded today. Hold on. Right? I'm up 1,271. And the reason I'm saying this, right? My the entire lawn mowing service, the trees, they trim, the bushes, they blow, right? All the grass, the leaves, they do all the things. The whole yard, I think, is like 300 or 350 a month. And right now, people are like, oh my gosh, that's so much, right? Like, oh, okay, I made 1,300 a day today, right? We'll say divided by 350. That's 4 months. I traded less than an hour to not mow my lawn for 4 months. How much time would I have to spend? Gas, the energy, sharpening my blades, oil changes. Oh, crap, I ran into something. It broke. right? Flinging rocks, sweating, getting prepared, getting done, drinking fluids before I go, and all the stuff, and the headache, and putting it back, and washing it off. And in an hour, I made enough for someone else's headache for 4 months. Do you understand now about money, everybody in the room? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
That is why we don't do that bullshit. Right? Once you get this, once it makes sense, once you become profitable, the money thing will not be anything you are ever used to ever. Right?
I teach my kids all the time, work smarter, not harder.
Exactly. Right. Now there was a time, obviously, I'd do it myself and do the things, and I had the riders and the push mowers and the weed whackers, and I had the nice 4-stroke blower, so I didn't have to put oil in it and all the things, and I'd have to go and get gas and wait and do all gas all up, and then I'd have to run everything and go both sides, and then I'd have to weed whack for an hour, and I get done. My arms are all shaky because that's all you've been doing literally for like an hour, hour and a half straight, doing all the stuff, and then pulling weeds. And 1 hour, 4 months of that. We don't do that anymore here. That does not need to be done any longer. If you are a part of American Dream Trading, you do not have to do that anymore. Do you understand what I'm telling you? We do not need to wash our cars anymore. Am I right, Eric? That's such a waste of our time.
For real, coach. That's why I
would
was telling them, it's like, man, like the amount of money that I'll be missing out during power hour.
Right.
It's just, it doesn't make sense. You know, I could
Yeah.
be, I can enjoy washing my car for a sec, but I could be missing out a really nice setup off
Well,
the
it
spot
just
or Apple,
doesn't
if you
make
will.
sense anymore, right? This is why, look at this. Hold on, this is a nice pull. There it is. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was wow. But what I was saying is, this is why, right, if you lived in New York, you would hire a driver even if it costed you $80,000, because one deal that you could make while you're in the back of that car making those phone calls, working with clients, doing the things, pays for a whole year of you not doing it. You have to flip the script on what you think. Am I right?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Hey, coach. Quick, you were in New York City the other day. Would you feel comfortable in New York City with a Tesla driving you around though?
100%.
Really?
Oh yeah, it wouldn't not phase me, not even for a second. Nope. No way in
Okay.
hell, partner. I'm telling you, because I go through like when we make these little trips to like Virginia Beach and stuff, we're going through heavy construction, right? I'm talking cones and stuff, and roads aren't where they're supposed to be, and right, they close completely crap off, and the HOA road cut off, and like it goes around everything flawlessly, zero worries, zero issues. I don't worry about none of that. Boom, right there. By the way, Eric.
Yep.
I just made $187.50 in the last under 1 minute, which would wash your car twice.
You see, coach, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Right? Everybody in the room,
That's
do you understand what we're saying? Right?
Yep.
It's not a thing anymore. We don't do that.
It's like when you get that skilled, basically in a nutshell, what coach is trying to say, when you get that dialed in and that skilled in your profession, if you will, for us it's trading, right?
Oh
When
my
we get
gosh.
that skilled in, any little side movement that we see that as potentially as an opportunity to make some money, right? Instead of us spending an hour washing our car, getting sweaty, when we don't have to do that.
Yeah, that's
We're
just
at a
such a
whole
waste of
different
time.
we're at a whole different
Such a
level
waste of
that
time.
our attentions could be set looking at the stock market and taking
Yes.
advantage of little small base hits.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you could do $10 trades. There's your car wash. Why am I doing that? And here's the other side. This is the flip side. This is why I'm always yelling at Mark, right? I want you to think about this. If you got hurt and you are no longer able to trade, or you had to take a week or two off, how much is that going to cost you? Right? Now, I know what Mark makes now. If Mark had to take a week off, he could have hired 8 people full-time on his staff, $80,000 per person for the entire year, 8 people fully retained and do everything he needs. That's what he will lose if he got hurt and had to miss a week. Do you understand what we're talking about now? Right?
And yet this morning he's walking cows back to the neighbors.
Yes, it's crazy. But do you I need you all to understand what I'm saying. How much is your time worth? Right now you might be like, "Well, you know what? I make $60 an hour." Okay, well then your time is worth $60 an hour. So guess what though? If I had to wash my car and it took me 3 hours, because guess what? Usually you got to drive it somewhere. Then you got to towel it off. Then you're going to get out all your tools and do all the inside detailing and all the things, right? And you're going to wax it. And they're going to spray the stuff on the tire so it stays nice and shiny, the armor all, and doing the things. Then you got to drive home. You're going to have 3 hours into that. If you make $60 an hour, that just costed you $180. Do you understand what we're saying to you?
Yep. And the best part is, since you trade from your car, you could deduct it all.
Well, there you go. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Done. That's what I'm saying. You don't understand. You need to think about money differently. The money is now your tool, not you doing all the stuff. Let your money work for you. Let your money work for you. Oh, this is going to pull again off of this 620 level. Are you serious? This is a gap. This is a big gap.
Still in it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm running the rails.
Good job. I went in small here in case it gets the bounce off of 620. I'm still okay.
Yep, I'm just sliding my stop.
Yep, boom. Right there. There it goes. Bam.
Go, baby, go.
Yep. Just made another $50. Hey, Eric.
Yeah, coach.
In under 3 seconds, I just paid for half of your entire car detailing.
Yeah.
3
Oh,
seconds.
when I get the full body detail, whatever, like the luxury one, that's $380.
Yep.
And I already did like 3 of those.
That's awesome. Good for you. Good for you. Good on you. Now listen. Now here's where it gets really cool. Everybody in the room, here comes a free little tip for you. Right? So right now we are actively trading to make the money. So this is like my 9-to-5 job. Then what you'll do is you will take that money, put it into those investments that I've walked you through, not financial tax or investment advice, but some of those different things that you guys know what you should be and could be getting into. Now your passive income, without you doing this work, without me sitting down and turning my computer on, pays for it all. That is where all of you want to get. That should be the end game. That is what you want. You want your money working for you while you are doing nothing, right? So poor and middle class will use your money and buy a bunch of depreciating assets, right? The extremely and wealthy people will buy assets that make them money. Do you understand the difference? Buy things that make you money, and then you can use that money for the things you want. Don't use your money to buy the things you want. That is not how you use your tool. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
That's right. That's how I was able to get this Tesla.
There you go. That's how David bought his new truck too. Right, David?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
The accounts we were talking about in the morning.
Yep.
Instead of eating up all that money and having no payment, well, this way I have money sitting in that account.
That's right.
And I get out each month more than the truck cost me.
That's right.
And I'm accumulating more money for the next month and more money for the next month.
Absolutely. And then you can really change the game once you've got that account large enough. You can, here we go. Here's another millionaire life hack from an actual millionaire that you will never be able to talk to that you're doing now. Then you will be able to take loans against said shares that you hold. And guess what? You don't pay taxes on loans. So if you had $1 million in stocks and you borrowed 500,000 on it, you don't pay taxes on that. Now you have $500,000 you can have to work for it, right? Oh, but you got to pay back. Yeah, at a 4 or 5% annual interest rate on a $500,000 that you could then turn around and buy a business, do a thing, have that money now working for you, doing more things, and it's tax free. How long could most of you live on 500,000? 10 years, 20 years? And all you're doing is paying back a 5% interest rate? And it's not taxed. Therefore, the $500,000 costed you not a single penny. Am I right? Not a penny. And don't forget, that $1 million that you had that you borrowed this against is still paying you. It's still spitting money at you. I know. I got you. Listen, I'm here for you, baby. I'm here every day. I do this every day. Every damn day. I'm out of here. Love your faces. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Triple bottom.
There goes Coach. I got that. I got $700. Let's freaking.
There you go. There's 7 card details.
I just got 7 card details.
Done.
Yeah, I just sold that. I just sold that from resistance on the top.
You gotta be shitting me.
20 puts in ITMs, and I went all the way down.
I'm riding the rails.
Good
job. Both sides.
Yeah, now we're on a triple bottom.
Yeah.
Now, remember what I said up there, everybody? I said, I don't think that has the strength to go up any higher. And I said, look at this trend line that it's forming. And I said, look at what it's doing. I said, it's extremely weak up there. And here it comes. And I said, if it breaks down below that level, didn't I say you're going to be looking at that new low a day? And here we are. Didn't I walk you through it? Yes.
That was 500 SPX.
Oh, my gosh. And look at the bounce. Didn't we say triple bottom bounce on support?
Si, senor.
That paid for your vacation.
Put that in your pipe and smoke it. You guys will be living large and in charge. So thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Love your faces. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world.
Wah, wah.
Thank you. I heard an actual horn back. There it is.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics. Let the world know. Anybody make any money?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Got my $10, Coach. Got my $10.
There it is. Thank you. Did anybody learn anything today?
Yes. Learned and still making money.
There you go. It's another beautiful day here. Hey, I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you, everybody that's watching. Make sure you click that subscribe. Click that follow. Again, I appreciate all of you. I'm beginning learning to trade, help out my truck driver husband. Absolutely. Thank you for being here, Summer. I see you. Thank you for all those gifts. Thank you for everybody with all the amazing comments. Thank you for the super chat stickers over there on the YouTubes. I do appreciate it. If I can get up or a little bit later today, I'm going to try to come back in. Maybe I'll pop in a TikTok just to say hi. I've got a bunch of admin work we're doing. Don't forget, if you guys want to scoop up any of our merch, go to our brand new store. Well, link, I should say. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.shop or AmericanDreamTrading.store. STORE, of course. You guys will be able to scoop up all the things we have. Thank you again for joining me. I'm going to play our video one last time on the way out because I need to get paid too. Hold on one sec. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. All right, there we
Would
go.
you go to sleep?
There we go. I'm back. Thank you. Who got on that SPY triple bottom bounce call out?
I did.
Besides
I
Paul.
did, boss.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. It's just like clockwork, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? All right, let's do this because I think we're about to end. We're going to end it probably today. We'll end the Diamond Lifetime memberships. Just letting you guys know, I will sell one right now. I'll do the same thing I did yesterday. $44.44. This will be one of your last opportunities to get the Diamond Lifetime membership. If you have a Diamond Lifetime membership, by the way, and you want to gift one, you can buy one for $4,000 to give to someone else. Otherwise, you guys can buy a VIP so you can help somebody else. I'm going to do one right now. One Diamond Lifetime membership. 4444 right now. Who wants it? I'm doing one and only one. Moderators, what's today? It's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I was going to say maybe at midnight we turn off forever Diamond Lifetime. We'll talk about it in our meeting. All right. Right now, one. I got one. Who wants it? You got one chance. Right now.
Get it.
4444. Going once. Going twice. That's it. Sale is over. All right. Thank you, guys. I appreciate everybody. We are shutting this down. Let me close all these. Give me 1 second.